Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today I have a solution to a problem you probably thought you had, but you didn't know you really had until you got your car home and you realized, well, you have no place to put anything. Because when you were in the excitement of buying your brand new Model Y Juniper, you missed the check marks where Tesla offered to sell you all of these console trays. Or you saw the price of them and you didn't like it and you thought there was a better way to do it. Well, our friends at Foronetry have a solution for you. And in this 10-piece set, they have you covered to have all the console trays that you're gonna need for this vehicle. So don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on other Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you back in just a moment. Hey, welcome back. And as promised, I have the pieces here for your Model Y Juniper. So what does it entail? Well, let's start off with the obvious first. We have a silicone insert for our cup holder. And we're gonna go ahead and put this one in first. It's to help protect the cup holder from spills, fluids, or whatever happens to be in your drink. And we can just go ahead and slip that right on in there just like that. It goes right on in and provides a nice snug fit. The next thing that we have the cell phone pad cover, because you know it's made of felt that's up there, and you know what? It tends to trap the dirt quite a bit. So what we do, we just lay this on top. There we go. It's nice snug fit in there. And when you do that, you can put your phone up there and it will start charging with no problem. So the mat does not hinder your cell phone charging at all. Hopefully it helps with the overheating problem that we've had with some of the phones and creates a barrier to help cool it off just a little. We'll see what happens. But that actually does work. Now, the other pieces to the set. We have the center console trays here, which has a silicone liner. So that's two pieces right there. The silicone liner goes into the tray. This particular tray happens to go in the center console right here. So when we lift this up, it's going to slip in just like this. Okay, so if you notice this notch that's right here, that notch is there purposefully to run your USB cord through, because we have our USB port, which is in the center console, located in the back part of it right here. And when you put the tray in there, you sometimes want to run a USB cord through here. So they provide that for you. So the next tray that they have, this one goes in the forward console tray. And this one also has a liner as well. This is two pieces and it is segmented and it is designed to go into the forward compartment. So we're going to slide this right down in here just like this, and it goes down onto the rails and it slides forward. So now you have full access to it one way or the other. Just like that. Works out pretty well. Now that's everything that's going on the center console directly. And so there's another part of the set that comes with it in the 10-piece set, but it's not technically a part of the center console. And what this is an under seat tray, and it goes under the two front seats in the vehicle. And you can basically throw whatever you want in there and it just slides right underneath. So while not technically a part of the center console, it does actually serve a function. And we can slip it under that front one there. There we go. So now it's under the seat. Now, it took me a while to figure this one out, right? And that's probably not a bad thing. Because what you'll see here, what you'll notice here is a bit of a door. And you're probably looking at it going, well, where does this door go? Well, I'm going to show you where this door goes. Because it took me, like I said, it took me a while to find it, which is not necessarily a bad thing, because this is for a hidden compartment on your Tesla that you probably didn't know about unless you had one of these. And where this goes is going to go right here. And so what's going to happen, I have my straps for my seat covers that are in the way. And by the way, if you like these seat covers, I do have a video showing you how to put these on and give you a great discount on them. Don't forget to go look at that video. This is a hidden compartment underneath your center console where you can put it. And it actually goes right here. And I found this, what I think this is useful for is for putting your spare key cards into, or your credit cards or what have you. That's about what it looks like it's good for. It would hold your spare cards. But Tesla does appear as though they made it for this particular compartment. This has the typical double-sided tape that is installed on a lot of the different products we put on this vehicle. Now, once again, if you are a fan of the channel, then you absolutely know what this is. That's our lovely adhesion promoter, and y'all know about how I feel about this adhesion promoter. But what it's designed to do is to prep the surface that you're getting ready to put the double-sided tape on to make sure that it, well, basically it won't come loose for a long time to come. So we open this up. They supply you with a couple of packets of it. And there is the oh so familiar smell that I always have every time I open this up. I just love this smell, everybody. You know how I feel. Yes, yes. Unfold it here, and then what we do, we just wipe down the edges where it's going to attach. I feel like I'm building my plastic models back again when I was in high school. All right, that's all cleaned. Now we just got to take the double-sided tape off. Now we just got to line this up. I'm just lining it up. Make sure it goes in there all nice and snugly. And there we go. And it's all nice and installed. I'm just pressing just to make sure that it all attaches cleanly. And there we go. Now we have our secret compartment that we can open up and throw our keys in if we wish. Don't look for it in my car, it won't be there, I promise. Now, there's one more piece to this kit that, you know what, I thought about installing, but I'm not. But I'm going to show you guys anyway. And what this is, it's a webcam cover. And what this webcam cover is designed to do is to cover your camera that's looking into the cabin right up here. There's some pluses and minuses to that. So if you're uber paranoid about people looking in on your camera and you don't want them to see what's going on, you can use this webcam cover and it'll slide right on over the camera and cover it up. I'm not that paranoid about it, so that's the only reason I'm not putting it on, but you can feel free to more than do so. It'll just stick on there and then you just slide this back and forth. So that's the way it worked. If you like the mirror, you can check out the mirror in the other parts of my channel. I'll put a link to it somewhere around here, maybe there. And you can check it out, see how we got that installed as well. So thanks for joining us. Don't forget to look in the description below to see how you can get some great discounts on Tesla accessories. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Peace.